My people that always savvy, my people that always so all of our way on our head DJ with the Cash Better Network, no be those ones we do on and off. And I welcome to Ogbonge nightly show where we call Full House. Take us waiting, every work can no play. Image Jack, a dog boy. When I go look say this face is stand and face is waiting familiar well, I don't see before, I don't see boo boo on top the money on top post office. They don't see me self on top Jaybreak Nigeria this same money. They don't see Atirere of the Susu ministry there. Now I don't see Mao that they call class captain. I will see they call up. I only will get like 3-4 names. Only Mago order like 6 for 4 top last month. It's nobody like you. I don't understand. You don't understand that. Sorry, because it's so bad. I don't understand. Earlier officially, I welcome all of our way to watch us to the Full House. Now here we say we use scope now the torchlight small matter. After we torchlight and finish, we go cause make we count down play where for the second segment where we say today game we go play na true na lie. Oh yeah, so how the matter go be what they discuss today, Gogo?
As you carry us enter this matter now, I know say everybody blood the hot. Make una candle. Now as I bless I carry back home.
What they see for now?
She might go also back home.
Now true, get one selection wey near my house because people borrow their bell. They're not the borrow person bell.
They're not the borrow.
No, I know say extension something. This one now, it like they will fight. So I'm gonna do the bell. When you don't the reach time, you know everybody.
I bet give us a topic for today. Most way to the Chook Mountain side.
This one talks say after my blood no dey hot now.
Last week you and Red Card they fight for who go read.
I don't want to miss you. But as I dey here, I first want myself because
my people now wait now read that they read. This one they talk say after 5 years for abroad. This then daddy na our daddy wa he wan make him wife to swear an oath say she no sleep with another man since he leave Nigeria. They come dey ask us say oh wetin be our take on top this one, you know. After 5 years abroad he go 5 years so he come back house so he come say make the wife come swear for oath to come do juju for oath to come say me lie I no sleep with another man.
Wait this one wey you say make dem cause swear shey na for church dem wan do am abi na for mosque abi na for shrine abi na inside house dem go pray my for man.
They swear for church.
I never can tell another enter all the types of ministry.
He say swear and oath, you no understand English.
They not they take oath for house, they not they take am for mosque, they not they take am for church.
No be that type of oath we dey talk.
You dey
food. We dey talk
food love. You be food love.
What did you say? I not talk about food.
No, but he say they take am for house.
Shey you your mama of the house, me na talk say let's take oath that if I die you die.
I remember that year when we did SS2. Now
you still say they confess. And I come go do your one top person. You know when I start January.
I say relationship that year after now.
For SS2.
You know say you get foundation. What the foundation? And the people wey lay the foundation, even the area where the dey.
I don't even know road.
I don't talk about January. My New Year resolution with that.
Not be me talk about but you are wise man for my area. If you check here, this place don't bad. The second place nine white. He say if you see woman, you see snake, you know the rest. You know the rest.
No be they talk say show up for be real.
Okay, you follow talker. Now I lie to you. Shut up. Shut the knock with the letter was confirmed.
Okay, so make we do ladies first for the matter now. I mean,
now go let them follow you fight to say equality.
Sorry, man.
No go to like say.
I don't want gentleman now.
No talk we dey hear. See na gentlewoman read am. Make gentleman shook mouth.
So
but if man dey ask the question now, auntie, is she that did you do the in 5 years or you come and talk now?
Oh auntie,
is you the married wife when you no trust?
After 5 years.
No, make na 5 years just delete now.
Expiring dates dey dey for the marriage.
No, expiring dates dey dey for trust based on circumstance. Based on 1 or 2 polopolo, you know what I'm saying? If I marry now,
this one wait.
I travel
this
5
one
years.
No be girlfriend though, na wife.
Auntie girlfriend, auntie wife, no be female. No be male and female.
If you be shemale.
That said,
I want know.
Maybe she.
I want to say, the question it do me somehow. I want to know wetin go make the man ask the wife that question.
But they don't tell us that part too.
I don't know.
You get the man number.
For the man to ask that woman that question.
The man won't propound the
woman. Na him make wetin Bumi talk get correct sense. You no trust the woman because for you to come back after 5 years ask her that kind of question, it means say you no trust her.
No, but wait.
Woman wey you no trust, you can't leave her for house 5 years.
Wait, una the reason the matter pass where hold up dey, where free road dey down. See. And they talk and say trust they get timeline based on circumstances, based on 1 or 2 polo wey fit don occur. Now man clear na more imagine say one fateful Friday wey be thank God this Friday we go so near here so I decide to go club.
Imagination.
I can't reach there. Now see if you cannot think the power of your mind, you cannot become wedding.
You
understand?
If you can,
jump it down as I'm talking, you be writing the text Bible.
Now be the motivational gang.
Na motivation me to do. I don't know motivate. But that's like your
I dey feel na motivate.
So now come imagine say I enter inside club. I see one shekers wey dey where she package where she correct. We call rub mind now. We join man and man together. We shook mouth because they say our ways there e pure. We suppose feel they connect. From there later I come realize say maybe she dey do night work. All the time they do for maybe right and left. So they do for
home service and co.
Now she come say she don change. We come marry. Now that's all. If we come marry, I can travel 5 years. I can come back. It is say I no go fit say you don't go back to wetin dey do.
I want to ask one question sharp. Now when you carry your eye, your two right and left eye, go maybe
go club.
Okay, na club on the first jam. You come marry girl for club. You we don't already want to marry that kind of girl. You suppose don't know say anything can happen.
She thought say she don change.
Objection.
You want marry you say you suppose don't.
Objection, my lord.
Okay.
Thank you. Me I go talk. You know say when Ima begin dey talk, Ima begin dey propound that theory. You know gree Ima talk. You enter. Wait. You dey propound. You see suddenly you sabi English. You dey propound.
Full matter they talk about.
Propound theory. No let them speak finish for my mouth. You can't enter. You can't begin to imagine. You can't begin to imagine. Me I get question. Shey me I fit start my own assumption. Maybe I begin to assume.
Oh yeah.
Make I begin to assume.
Propounding
imagination assume. Wait. That man when he talk say make him wife come swear. For when in the gbasbo say.
But before
touch my hand.
I dey feel.
I beg you as una dey watch us, so make una remember say sharply on a fit dey send on our comments they give us, make we dey touch light and make una fit follow shook mouth for the matter now because all these people now want turn am to another thing.
I don't talk. You say I talk anything.
No, nothing when you want talk because you don't already want confuse us when you start with theory. Would they talk?
Say when you see
person wey add program to the theory ko.
You know be her fault now. Wetin you talk now? When would they talk simple thing enter theory?
Na children go school pass us. Na by height they measure.
No, wetin we don talk now na small thing dem thing no really.
Anyway, if na me be the woman, I no dey swear anything, and dem no born am make e divorce me. We fight there.
You go lie wahala. Na why you say make you swear?
You forget that thing.
You don't know say this your stubbornness. Your head no go dey one place.
You no see the alacrity, the speed, the intensity, the tenacity,
It's okay.
the thermometer.
How be say? So I find because as you are the year border, shocking me. Electric don't pass on that.
They don't live wire for your
touch me.
As I just chill.
No touch me.
Because I'm at time I come here again. So will not come out.
No touch
No,
me.
me I go swear. I go swear.
Wait, only you go swear. Abi you go say make two of una swear.
No, nah. He no thing when you right. He no talk say make two of them swear.
Is it
But now only
make
the woman swear. You know say already nine don comot himself say be sent. So for that 5 years when they there, mo make you say na assumption we dey do. Mo assume say no do anything. Abi I go swear. When I go swear finish, anything wey I see make take am.
Wetin I wan say?
Anything wey
That means say, sister me.
All these people wey dey get man say, you know that thing I dey say dey talk about
I don't do anything. I don't do anything, but as I don't
which kind swear? That one mean say if you wan do the swear, you go say if I do this one make this thing happen, but if I no do am make this thing happen to that person.
Na that time you dey talk.
Na no be say they take sweat.
No, but Iman, you don't know say the fit just tell that guy sort you for the Ogunteyaki wey dey before he come back.
No,
the fit just say social media these days.
Yeah, they talk from the perspective of wife wey dey innocent too.
The one wey be Dibia.
I dey talk from
I don't weak because I don't like that. So if you
if I don't do anything, and you don't assume say I do something, come back, come say make I swear, I go swear. But anything when I see.
What
if you can't do something? See, man wey go calm down, work hard for 5 years, come back, come say you or my wife, why don't the same money they give you since? Or you are swearing not to say you know see something for her before you are also warning.
Okay, so now if now they listen to wetin we hear say.
If no
this one wey you talk now, no be hearsay. Where your evidence say the wife innocent?
Try.
we know say some.
They come and everybody dey do assumption. Na come say the man sef no clean.
Exactly, because how e dey possible say no mo scatter the matter na mo break the table finish. All of us wey dey here na you know say woman fit hold body pass man.
Say
Auntie Rebe I lie.
And you are lie.
it is say you
You are lie because you have to bring statistical evidence. See, where is statistical evidence?
Woman dey hold body pass.
So na say me I like go school
See, no, if we wan look am, culture dey restrain us. Society dey restrain us.
Who is yours?
We wey be women.
Wait, all of una wey dey open body.
See, you are talking with your chest. Say make them dey look because you know say na lie.
I know suppose you don marry.
If you not married.
You never.
I beg you viewers to make una set on my comment. I go read there before una set down.
But they go say that calm down. Make they say understand as our position.
Wait. I know say make you no talk. You know say you don dey shock.
No.
No touch me. So that's why they do like this. They do like this. Oh yeah, with the year.
Now we don agree say some information will be inside this matter. We just dey put our assumption. Now maybe first ask say why the man go just come. Ask the woman do that kind of thing. Now you gonna tell us maybe somebody don't give her information. Or
maybe you know the guy wife wey marry before he travel.
Now the only thing wey as we do assumption maybe that idea wey the man know dey na prison dey.
They just say he travel.
E dey possible.
You know where for travel is.
Child no dey around.
It's not around the 5 years.
You no dey.
People are just saying him go prison.
We don't get this yo.
Spencer say the man head no dey work again. Make dem check am well. He say snow don affect him brain. Who tell you na where snow dey?
No say that dey person travel.
You know whether na Sahara desert him dey.
Don't say enter here.
A whole 5 years. But no be firewood o.
See apart from that as Bumi take talk am woman fit hold body pass man that one e dey. No ask me for statistics English
Nobody yourself.
As you dey talk am my people make we leave stati.
Na this na you dey cause this thing. If you dey talk the one wey you know problem no go dey.
You wan follow me na?
Just dey do like better now.
I really book.
But anyhow, you know the matter wan be. I wan rescue her like this now. Na why we dey go the break because this glass fit break if she continue like this.
Is it that you want to
We wan go check dictionary.
Statistical evidence.
One paper share dictionary we dey come back na still full as a top now. Boy get Jolly to Naija TV now na still dey watch so we dey come back. As you breathe, I don't say water.
Yeah, you know say the word don dey inside my mind like this. E dey do me like say I leave the stati whatever the oyibo and the evidence I leave am. I wan come talk now say if the woman come do kpishikon wait now she plug something inside her head.
She go farm.
When no come be man.
Wait, the wife na farmer, the husband dey.
Wait, understand wetin she talk well. You understand wetin she talk?
I know yes.
Yeah.
If the woman come do the home servicing, she service her engine every wey no come be with man nko.
The woman na moto.
We no come be with man.
You never see understand.
She go swear.
You don't get message, but next time they break all the seat down.
Clara said that wahala be like bicycle. That talk with that one. Why you say go odindi 5 years? Just imagine, but some women they faithful for 5 years and more, but men never.
Clara, God go bless you. Anyway, you
now what do you want me to talk?
She comes to you, I will give her drink.
Which are the because
they that talk now say man no view body for 5 years.
Now women to talk am. Not to say wetin dem dey.
No, this is not fact.
Ayowa, you feel
Ayowa, I beg. All this plastic something wey dem dey sell. That one wey dey do. Men dey buy am. Women na because their body.
Una no attend to my question. Una no attend to my question. If the woman do home service, wey no be with man,
na part of her. Dey swear she go swear say she no do anything. I swear go cash am.
So I know the cash.
No,
if I do anything with man,
say now with
man. So now she do something.
Wetin dey work you? Abeg calm down. When I dey talk na English na I no hear. I get small sense inside this small head.
He say make she swear. Say himself go swear. The two both of them will swear.
And I see the woman want make him swear. The woman go cut her say you sef swear. He no talk that one. The one wey me and John know be say that man see wetin go even make you know say they do exam for people before you go travel out. Wetin go make you travel out? E show say you don get sense for head. If person wey come get sense for head now come talk say my wife how many times did I call you? The wife answer now you call me 3 times. You come say swear. E mean say that man know wetin dey talk.
We no argue.
Okay.
We no argue. If you can't discover say the woman get servicing machine inside house nko.
That one no be servicing machine. That one different. I swear no.
Okay, wait na me be this so we know say everybody know say there's no metering machine.
To say measure how
Jerusalem. Hey, for Jerusalem.
Favor say nobody.
No, wait till this one. Nobody.
No, I make me swear, mumu swear like that. Even if I don't do anything in 5 years, I still no go swear because of the distrust wey you don display so.
I don't see say we don't go back where I start from.
Na lie, na the evil thing wey don do let her know what swear.
See, all these things it still goes back to misogynist.
It doesn't go this English again.
Why until they
Wait.
People don crack.
No. May our people know say I been reach that side.
Only half, I no go surprise you bring something to do.
Misogyny.
Misogyny na you want to.
Thank you. Misogyny. Wala be like Adi. The man wan exact him man this power on top am. Me I fit do anyhow, but you wait the woman.
You no fit do anyhow.
I say what just say man would do.
You see wetin we dey talk? Na the thing we dey talk with this now.
He wan use them.
We go talk man.
You know you say she say man, she come do like this.
Na only you dey follow man.
Na you go follow her. Na wetin follow her dey give. Who shall be papa when my power start?
Abeg my people, this matter na dey here o. They go talk say 1 the Jerusalem o, they no dey meter am o, you no dey get this. If you come enter the place, you go come notice say oh boy 5 years changes don dey, and you talk say you no dey kolobi with another person. So how you go feel if you come know say na machine dey service am?
But like say if una carry 2 of them go shrine, make them go swear. But I go see say na the man sef go say he no swear again.
What is this?
You don't need to be.
No, but wait, Ayowa, man no lie. This question no favor us as man. It no favor us. All the bad boys.
Say na woman dey ask.
That's I say it no favor us. Because the bad boys you are plenty. Because you see them talk say woman wey dey sabi your body and as she come travel, she come back pass the man. We go know say the man go feel already.
The man, nothing you wan tell me, I no fit gree. If you act this story as film, show me starting to already, I no go gree. All of us dey this place, we know the things wey people dey go do. All these women there, na joke I dey o. But all of una know wetin una dey go do.
Ayowa, you say you no dey gree.
No,
where your placard? You need to carry
this place be like Lekki toll gate.
I don tell you jahu.
It resemble Lekki toll gate.
I
don accept.
If you dey like this, you feel your body for 7 months.
Me?
7 months.
I don't do
You
past
see,
2
you
years.
just dey justify as small. Meaning say if we no fit hold body for 7 months, how dey expect me woman hold body for 5 years? Abi
No,
be
the way
till.
she dey talk be that.
No, see, they ask me
What is
personal
the
now. See, they ask me personal.
Oh yeah,
I don't do
continue.
past 2 years. I know
You
that.
fit do 3 years.
Now.
You fit do 4
We
years.
do 2 years. I know. But you go ask me.
And then wetin make you break am?
Ray of the Esusu ministry loaded front and back. I tell you,
See, forget that thing.
Now
Na me be the ambassador of the stronger versus.
wait dey wait for
I don't
7 months
understand.
abi.
Eh?
The ambassador of the stronger versus.
Una dey wait for 7 months. You fit wait.
Na wetin dey work you? I never marry. I be card carrying member of the Virgin Society. What are you telling me?
Alhamdulillah.
What be the alami? Bismillah and money on you.
Hey, I know
If you dey
that.
laugh,
Why
you
you
dey
shout?
mad stop.
Why you dey shout now? You want to check?
No,
Oh, are you okay?
you must stop it o.
I use egg check am.
Eh?
Na egg I use.
You know it's gonna.
Tell the one who dey play table tennis. Na egg with that one.
No, normal egg wey dem boil. I don check am.
Hey.
Sorry, no verse o, no verse o. You know say as e dey talk, all of us high level dey here. As e dey talk, Ashoka e dey look down. Ashoka e dey look down.
I don't want to. You see, I don't want you again. You see, people are here. You don't fool.
If not be say na night we dey do this show, dem go don comot us for television.
Nah, wait, you don't understand. Say, when she dey talk, say, what if na woman? What if na woman? Nana go dey reason say, as she just say, she take her check.
Nana ajo understand.
Wetin I dey talk
See, imagine as na talk this thing now. I come to say, Arewa, make I help you check.
Stop, no, I go stop.
Bumi, they don lost you. You know say that year. You don use egg.
This one wey we now get as dey talk am.
Abeg na 14 years me and you.
They don dey connect.
Me I be card carrying member of the Virgin Society.
Arewa, go and check. Oya, straight. Check wetin na go check.
Make I dey go break, check wetin. Check wetin.
Check
What the break na?
One more make I go check.
Make dem go check
Me I no fit check na. You know say,
wetin.
No worry.
No,
The day wey be say I go marry my husband, he go check and come give you.
Sorry, wetin talk?
I go marry my husband.
Na you
Yeah,
go
no, exchange that husband o.
animal husbandry.
She
No.
say marry my husband.
The day wey say I go marry my husband. You know the year word. This one na D and T. Husbands. You know say I go marry my husband.
It's like I
You
have
come
to be
give.
calming down. Because when I hear I think say na plenty men you dey talk about.
It's
And the
okay.
water. How many is your body sef? No. Let's talk truth to where truth is.
See, my dear, let me tell you. Let me speak Oyibo for you.
abeg.
Let me speak. Now calm down.
Calm down.
Listen to the
Because
stand
I wanted to say, hey, hello.
How are you?
Na wetin dey
Oyibo talk. Oyibo.
I don dey shake.
No shake.
If you talk this
Oyibo talk say wetin good for goose and then.
good for Uganda.
No be for inside good no be motor.
Sorry.
Na goose.
Wetin good for.
For goose.
It's
It's good
the same
for
thing
inside
in
Uganda.
Everything else wrong.
Eh.
The Oyibo you try don understand.
Wetin good for goose na
I dey
good.
go
So if man fit get if man fit get wives, e dey possible make Bumi sef get husbands.
It's proper.
Why not use you? Why dey use Bumi?
Na talk I dey talk.
It's proper.
No cause kasala between me and you.
Anyway, me already.
Wait a minute, me
Husband.
I'm not allowed to argue with in this matter again. I said I surrender.
It's proper.
I surrender.
Na this junction wey we reach that.
I no copy the song.
Before we pause, you must sing that song.
Like
Surrender to
I want to
me,
draw.
say Irekedio. Sing
I know the
that.
beginning.
Sing
Oya
that.
na.
Sing it.
As I come follow you stand here, hey, producer offline. I don't hear. What the beginning here?
I don't know back na still full house and I dey watch on top of our ogbonge television wey dem dey call Naija TV. Once we come back, we go enter the second segment of our full house wey be say today we go play game. You know say every episode we dey play different game. The game wey we go play on top today na live na true. No go anywhere we dey come back.